Hey guys, Lex Levinrad over here, and I'm in Port St. Lucie, Florida, and I'm standing in front of a property which would make a great buy, repair, rent, and refinance. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that could easily rent for $1,200 or $1,300 a month. So the goal here is to basically buy it, which I've just done. I closed on it this week, and now I'm just going to go ahead and retile the interiors, redo the bathroom, clean it up, paint it, rent it out, and then once we've got that tenant in place, we're going to refinance and pay off that hard money loan and get a regular 15-year rental mortgage on the property, and then hold it for 15 years until we have it free and clear. By then, the price should double, the rent should double, and it'll be a great long-term rental and a great long-term investment, right? So this is how you do it: buy, repair, rent, and refinance. Let's go ahead and take a look at the inside. Okay, so this is the inside. As you can see, nothing fancy, right? It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. This kitchen over here, the cabinets, you can salvage them, you can totally use them as a rental. Countertop probably needs a little bit of work. These floors, I would just go ahead and retile them. And in the bathroom, same thing, right? Just gonna retile, reglaze the tub, and put in a new toilet and vanity, and then we're good to go for rental. So the goal is to fix it up, right? So you buy, the purchase. The next step is to repair it, which is the fix up. And then once you've got the tenants in place, the next step is the refinance, and that's when you pay off the private lender or the hard money loan and get a regular conventional mortgage from a bank. I prefer the 15-year mortgage to a 20 or 30, because in just 15 years, generally speaking, real estate goes up at an appreciation rate where prices double about every 15 years, and rents should too, right? So if this house today is worth, let's say, $150,000 fixed up, and that's what it appraises for, I would have no problem estimating that it would be worth about double that, or about $300,000 in 15 years, and the rent of $1,200 or $1,300 a month would probably be double as well. So it makes a great long-term investment. The strategy, once again, is called buy, rent, repair, and refinance. All right, thank you for watching this video, guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Make sure you go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And if you like this video, go ahead and hit a like. And I try to put out videos like this once a week. As you can see, I'm standing here in the heat of the Florida sun. Brand new property I just purchased 2 days ago. There's no air in here, but I think it's important for you guys to see videos like this to see how it really is in this business. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.